Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling essentials and taking the first concrete actions. Pick your OS and provision a VPS with a public IP or set up dynamic DNS so clients can reach it. Once done, create a non-root admin user and enable SSH key authentication for secure access. Make sure to update packages and install curl and iptables utilities. Then choose your VPN software, WireGuard for simplicity and performance, Open VPN for broad client support, and download its package immediately to start configuration. You now execute the complex middle steps that make the tunnel functional. For WireGuard, generate server and peer keys, define address and listen port, and add post-up/post-down NAT rules. For OpenVPN, create server. Conf with devtun, push routes and DNS. Once configured, enable and start the service so the kernel loads routes and keys. Make sure to set correct sysctl.net. IP4. IP forward value and persist it. Then configure the firewall to permit the VPN port and apply masquerade so client traffic egresses correctly. Finish by creating client profiles and securely transferring keys or a QR code to devices. You should import the client configuration, set the server endpoint and allowed IPs, then connect and verify the tunnel brings DNS and traffic through the VPN. Once connected, confirm external IP and that internal routes resolve. If things go wrong, check the server and client logs first, verify IP forward, NAT/iptables rules, and that the VPN port is reachable from the client network. These checks resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.